Welcome to Southern Flavors of Healthy Recipes. This is the space where we create amazing taste, minus all those calories, minus that guilt of having a lot of fat. Now, what we're going to do today is another interesting tasty dish from one of my favorite regions of India, Andhra. Now, we know Andhra food as a Hyderabad food, but then obviously there is a lot beyond that. One such typical dish that I learned to make all the way in Boston from my Andhra neighbor was the stuffed chili, also known as chili bhaji or cut mirchi bhaji. So let's make the chili bhaji South Indian style without frying, minus the ghee. For the stuffing of the cut mirchi bhaji, let's take roasted chana dal. To this we add red chilies, hing, a little bit of raw mango powder, a little bit of ajwain, carom seeds, salt, a little bit of tamarind pulp. Put it in a jar to make a paste. Here we have the stuffing. It's binding well. I'd want to add a little bit of tamarind. Now we have a nice pasty stuffing ready. Let's take the chili. Let's scoop it out. Another chili. Now let's stuff the chili with our filling. We take the same bowl, add besan, add a little bit of rice flour, a touch of turmeric, chili, little bit of garam masala, salt, water. Now normally you would make a very thin batter, but when you're putting it in the air fryer, the batter has to be thicker than normal. So we are making a thick batter. Here you go. And now in the preheated air fryer, we shall fry our chilies. There you are. And we put it to air fry at 180 degrees for 6 to 7 minutes till it's nice and crispy from the top. The best part about the bhaji is that it stays really well for a long time, and you can eat it at room temperature as well. It tastes really amazing. Nice. Now let us taste. It's spicy because of the chili, it's sour because of the tamarind, it has that crunch because of the coating of rice flour and besan. I could have this for breakfast, lunch and dinner. There is so much mesmerizing detail in the recipes from south of India. And it's that detail that we want to bring to you on healthyrecipe.co.in. So what are you waiting for? Log in, register, and a new world of health and taste is waiting for you there.